In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hostinger account email address. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus a few simple tips to make sure the change sticks without any hiccups. First, open your browser and head to Hostinger's website. This is your starting point for accessing the account area where all your personal details live. Make sure you're on the official Hostinger site to avoid any confusion or security issues. You'll need to be signed in to proceed, so have your login method handy. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right corner and click My Account. This takes you into your Hostinger account hub, where you manage subscriptions, security, and personal information. If you manage multiple services, this is where they are all organized, so it's a great place to get familiar with. From here, find and click Account Information. Think of this page as your profile card. Everything that identifies you as the account owner can be reviewed here. It's also where you'll make the email change, which controls where Hostinger sends important alerts, invoices, and recovery messages. Now, scroll down to Account Settings. This section groups together the key details that affect how you sign in and how Hostinger contacts you. Take your time scrolling so you don't miss anything, and keep an eye out for the option you need next. Click Email. You're now in the exact place where your current address is listed and where you'll point Hostinger to your new one. Before you type anything, a quick tip. Use an inbox you can reliably access and that you alone control. This helps keep your hosting, billing, and security notifications in one safe place. Enter your new email address carefully. Typos are the most common reason email changes fail or confirmations don't arrive. It can help to type it slowly and double check every character. If you use a custom domain mailbox, make sure that inbox is active and able to receive messages. When you're confident the address is correct, click Continue. Hostinger will process the change and may prompt you for routine security checks in line with your account's protection settings. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. And that's it. You've updated the email tied to your Hostinger account. Keep your new inbox accessible, watch for any routine notifications, and you're all set. If something doesn't look right, revisit account information to confirm the change, and you can repeat the steps to correct any mistakes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.